Boy, it's hot up in here, boy. What you know about this? It's half summer. Okay, so it's 11 o'clock in the morning. I get a call from Dr. Miz. He said, boy, what you doing? I said, what you mean, doctor? He said, boy, I said, what you doing? I said, what you mean, doctor? He said, boy, what did you do in the morning when you woke up? I said, I prayed. He said, that's my son. I said, that's my dad. That's my dad. You taught me well. He said, boy, you know what I'm doing tomorrow? I said, what you doing tomorrow? He said, but on a miracle night. I said, what's that? Is that my new name? Is that the name? Whose name is that? He said, but on a miracle night. I said, I suppose that's going to be a show. It's going to be a church show. He said, yes, that's my son. I said, that's my dad. You know me well. You know me well. He said, but on a miracle night. I said, please tell me more about it. He said, well, it's going to be a Limkokwing. I said, that's right. From 6 p.m., I said, that's right. Till late. I said, whoa, till late. He said, yes. This whole time, we're going to be praising God. I said, amen. I asked him, you going to be alone? He said, no. I'm going to be with Charisma Tancredi. You know, he pronounced the name good, but I have problem pronouncing the name. I said, what's the hashtag? He said, get ready for changing your life.